So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create an alert for any chart on tradingview. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer and then search for tradingview.com. So guys, after coming on the website, you will see products and choose chart plus in one of these options. And now guys, you can see this alarm icon right here which called alerts. Click on this and as you can see, we haven't any alert for right now. Now you just have to click on create alert and you can choose the value right here. You can see it's a Netflix stock and you can choose the option of trigger and etc. And after filling all of these details, you just have to click on create button. And just like that, you guys can see we have created an alert for the Netflix stock and it has been alerted me for just right now because we haven't set the limits. So that's how guys you'll alert for any stock or chart. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.